Welcome to the Tomorrowland suite aboard the Disney Treasure. This is the area where you'll enter the suite. This is your private elevator that takes you straight to deck 14. This is the stairway that takes you upstairs to 2 bedrooms and the kids' bedroom. But first, we're going to check out this first level. Here is some artwork on the walls that is inspired by the EPCOT theme park. And then once this gentleman moves, we will see the kitchen that is in this suite. We have a sink, and then in this fridge, I'll show you in just a second. There is a kitchen in this suite because you can have meals prepared in your suite instead of going to the dining rooms. This is the table that seats 6, and then if you go over into this corner, you will see the star of the suite. First is the fully stocked fridge. There are Mickey premium bars, and then in the top, you have all your Coke products. You have water, juices, and then you also have the fancy coffee maker as well. But the star of the show here, Mr. Figment, he's got his own little statue, as rightfully deserved when you have an EPCOT themed stateroom suite. Actually, here is the view from your Tomorrowland suite. Is a 2-story window overlooking the ship, and you can see the ocean on the sides, and you'll also be able to see the ports. That's the TV. It goes up and down so you can hide it. The sitting area comfortably seats 4. And then look at that gorgeous chandelier, stained glass. When the light hits it, it is absolutely stunning. Another view of this chandelier that you can see from the 2nd story of the suite. Here's a little standing bar area, and then you have the entrance into the library, and we will go in there in just a second. So this is what they call the library. It is also one of the bedrooms. This has a pull-down bed with a mattress. Can serve as a second living room during the day. There is plenty of storage for whoever is staying in this room. There are robes and slippers for the guests staying in this room as well, because there is an ensuite bathroom attached to this bedroom. And we will go in there in just a second. So as you can see, there is a double sink vanity. We have a shower and then a toilet as well. And here is a look at the toiletry products that are available in the suite. So it's a little bit of an upgrade from the rest of the staterooms that you get on board. Leaving the library / bedroom, we are going to take a look at this unique feature. Here's a little wet bar and a wine fridge. So if you bring your own wine, you can bring 2 bottles of wine on board with you on Disney Cruise. You can put them there. And we are going to cut through this traffic and head upstairs to see the other bedrooms. And then there is also a kid suite up here with 2 bunk beds. There is also a half bath for guests in case you don't want to hide all your toiletries. So, heading upstairs, there's this iridescent glass along the stairwell, which is very cool. Pays homage to EPCOT and the theme parks. We have more artwork up here playing its respects to the EPCOT park. This is one of the first suites. King bed. Fantastic views out of these windows. You can overlook the living area, and then you actually look outside. This is the closet back here. Plenty of storage for all of your things, safe, and then life jackets as well, which comes standard in any stateroom on the Disney Cruise. We have this cool headboard. It's recessed. I love that. We have a charging pad for all of your things and your electronics. We have another TV up here, and then we are going to sneak down this hallway, which is the bathroom. More artwork in the room. These guests also get their very own bathrobes as well. There is a private toilet in this bathroom for the guests staying here. We have a soaking tub, double sink vanity, and the 2 robes as well. And then if you're not a bath fan, we have a shower with a rain head shower. Once again, the upgraded toiletries come in the Tomorrowland suite. Heading out, we will see this bedroom one more time before we exit onto the 2nd floor and check out the other bedrooms. Down this hallway, it takes us to the kids' bedroom that I was telling you about earlier. Once again, the artwork, the ceiling, all playing a little tribute to the EPCOT theme park. This kid suite is super cool. Lots of little hidden details for kids and any theme park fan. As you can see, there's a little figment up there. There he is. We have a mirror with the dresser to get ready. Little tiny robe for the guests staying in this suite. I thought that was just adorable. TV, and then these really cool bunk beds with built-in ladder. The kids, of course, have their own bathroom that they can use and keep their mess here. It does have a shower. It doesn't have a tub, but if you need a little in a tub, you can go right down the hallway, and then a single sink vanity. And then we'll head to the final bedroom in this suite. Similar layout as
So they say in the children's
this stateroom or any other Disney Cruise Line stateroom. Contact Simply Perfect Vacations today. We are happy to help you.